Hello, this is my 2003 Land Rover Defender. It's my daily driver and I enjoy every moment behind the wheel. I take pride in repairing and maintaining it. Have you ever done a job on your Land Rover Defender that pushes you right to the edge of your comfort zone? Well, that was me a few weeks ago, replacing the fuel pressure regulator on my Land Rover. If you've ever done this job, you'll know that it's awkward, fiddly and honestly not much fun. But I got it done, tested everything, and it all seemed to be spot on. A couple of days later though, I noticed a patch on the ground underneath the Land Rover. At first I didn't think too much of it, but over the next couple of weeks the thought crept in, did I mess this job up? There was no solid evidence, nothing obvious, but my mind kept going back to that repair. And the more I thought about it, the more my confidence seemed to drain away. Because the job had been so difficult the first time, I just kept putting off checking it properly. It's funny, the longer you avoid something, the bigger it grows in your head. Eventually, after seeing what I thought was definite proof of a leak, I decided to bite the bullet. Over the weekend I stripped back several components to get a clear look at the fuel pressure regulator. And here's the twist. It was fine, absolutely perfect. No leak at all. I just wanted to share this because I know I'm not the only one who's been there. When you tackle a tricky job, especially something mechanical, it's completely normal to second guess yourself. We don't talk about this part often, but it happens to a lot of us. Learning, fixing, building, it all comes with moments of doubt. What matters is pushing through, checking your work and reminding yourself that you are capable. So if you've ever felt the same way, know this, you're not alone and your confidence is allowed to waver. What matters is that, like your Land Rover, you keep going. Well, now I've got that off my chest, I'm going to get back to the enjoyment of maintaining, repairing and preserving my 2003 Land Rover Defender TD5, not to mention the utter enjoyment of driving it every day. If you haven't already done so, I wondered if you would like to subscribe to my channel. It is free and it really does give incentive to make more videos. Thank you. I forgot to mention, my wife is going to be over the moon with my renewed confidence. I will be able to carry on the good work of getting the Land Rover Defender ready for our next road trip. Oh, I bet she can't wait.